Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we are the publishers of Edible New Mexico Magazine. And welcome to episode 1 of 5 Minute Friday. This week, we're picking up a quiche. We're digging into our CSA. And we're cooking up dumplings. But first, we're going to do this. We're going to make some potstickers. Garlic and take 746.
What you got there, Will?
This is our carne potato quiche from Bar Castaneda in Las Vegas, New Mexico. Put this in the oven for what? What does it say, Steph?
It says 8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes. 350 degrees. Okay, just read the directions. I'm supposed to slice it before we put it in. So,
we just got our CSA from New Mexico Harvest, and we're going to check it out. Butter lettuce from Silverleaf Farms. Heirloom tomatoes from Growing Opportunities, which does hot house tomatoes here in New Mexico. An English cucumber, Growing Opportunities as well. Green garlic, kombucha project. Beef, 5 pounds of ground beef from Trilogy Beef. Did I get in here? I don't even... Oh, flour. This is flour from Valencia Mills because we've had a really hard time finding flour at the grocery store, and this is local. How cool is that? And ta-da! The latest issue, which was delivered in all New Mexico Harvest CSAs this week. How cool is that? Yay!
okay, let's start that one over. We're going to take some of those great veggies that we got out of the CSA and some red chili pork from Polk Folly's Farms, and we're going to make some pot stickers. And we're also going to stir fry some bok choy. And that's what we're going to have for dinner tonight. Mushrooms, these nice, here's a better one right here. These oyster mushrooms. I like to give them a nice little chop. So now we're going to chop our green garlic, nice thin slices. On that part, once I get to this. So now that we've got our green garlic, I'm going to chop it up a little bit finer. Now we're going to use our cabbage. So we'll just give ourselves a nice little chunk off of that. And then I'm just going to try and chop it up as fine as possible. Put this in here. And this is plenty of cabbage. We're going to put in the pork and we're going to mix it with all the ingredients. We have about a pound of pork. Beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and put that right in there. So we have some cornstarch, salt and pepper, ginger garlic paste, some sesame oil here, soy sauce. We have about a cup of our cabbage, half a cup of the mushrooms, and about a quarter cup of the green onion. Put that in. Do not be afraid to use your hands. Of course, I washed my hands, but mix that all in there. We're gonna mix it all together. Now we are ready to fill our dumplings. We bought these dumpling wrappers at the Talin market here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It looks like it's a nice little dumpling wrapper. It's got a good texture to it. You're gonna lay it out on your surface here, and you're gonna go around, put some water all the way around like this, and then we're gonna take our filling mixture and about a teaspoon So maybe we'll have Steph. Steph does these way better than me. So maybe I should show you how Steph does them.
I'm jumping in just to show my technique because there's multiple techniques to doing this. There's no right or wrong way other than you got to make sure that your dumpling wrapper is sealed properly. Like Walt said, you want to make sure it's sealed all the way around, but then you can make little pleats in it. You just squeeze tightly and that holds it together, the water. So see the difference between ours? Nothing?
Steph's I admit to that. Say about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. It's got a little shimmer on it. Yep, I think it's ready to go. Do this at a relatively low temperature. If it's too high, you will burn these. Medium low. How many can I fit? So we're at about 3 minutes. Take a look. What do you think, Steph?
I think they're perfect.
Medium to low, about 3 minutes. 1/3 cup of water. So we have to go with this. We have a little bit of baby bok choy. Nice, pretty ones right here. Get that in there. And I'm just going to use the same pan that I just did my dumplings in. There's a little more oil. Sorry. I'm going to use that same ginger garlic paste that I had earlier. This stuff that I bought from Talin Market right here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Heaping teaspoon, about that much. Danger, Will Robinson. So now we're going to throw this in. Ooh, you should be able to smell this. Put in about a splash of water, which is about 2 teaspoons of water. So I'm gonna, there we go. And then we'll cover that up. Our dumplings, and we're gonna be serving it with some bok choy, garlic ginger bok choy.
Just using a little bit of that green garlic to make our dipping sauce.
Soy sauce. Little wasabi.
12 hours later.
And some sesame seeds. Throw some sesame seeds on the bok choy. Let's see how it tastes. Oh. Some of that bok choy. Ooh, that's really good. There you go. Pork dumplings with bok choy.
That's it for this week's episode. Be safe and be well.